so. Oh yeah. It won't be bad at all, really. I don't think these things are going to be that big, but a little bit. I don't know. It's hard to say.
I'm just turning it on. I figured I brought it all the way here. I might as well use it. I paid all the money.
Hard to say about you. I think. No.
Okay, so we are. I'm gonna just.
Maybe over here. I don't know. That ridge looks pretty good too. That looks right. It's a little bumpy, but I don't think it's gonna be too bad. I really don't.
All right, so this is over there. Another 400 feet is Kessler Peak.
Yep.
This is God's Lawnmower.
Yeah.
It gets even steeper right in the beginning. It's like 52 degrees. So we're just going to drop from here. There's a little bit of some old avalanche debris under the snow. Hopefully it's soft and it doesn't make us fall.
It shouldn't be too bad.
All right. Do you want to go down and I'll just tag along?
Let's check it out. We'll take some test turns.
I can feel a little bit of ice under. Oh shit. My skis. My boots are on. It better be. Something's loose. There we go. My boots are loose. Oh my gosh. I just did a little rollover. I'm glad the snow is steep. I don't know what I did there. Hey, I just did a little rollover. I gotta get my ski.